Hey guys, chrisdelfs here. A lot of my clients, a lot of people I'd really just talk into general, they always ask me, hey Chris, what's the magic number for, an ideal credit score? So today I'm going to go into a little bit of that. To most of us, a credit score seems like a random tree of numbers determined by a complicated algorithm, and it represents much more to a lender who's considering whether to approve the mortgage loan. A low credit score can indicate that you're a risky borrower, while a high credit score can significantly upgrade the mortgage terms you're offered. If you're considering making the leap into homeownership, there's more to think about than just the curb appeal of those homes for sale. The health of your credit score tops the list. But even if your score teeters on the edge of dismal, there are steps to take to speed up the credit repair process and improve your chances of landing a home with manageable loan terms. What's the minimum credit score for a mortgage? The minimum credit score required to receive a loan depends in large part, on the type of loan you're considering. FHA loans have some of the lowest credit score requirements at 580 with a 3.5% down payment. However, that doesn't take other applicants out of the running. FHA lenders allow lower scores, with a down payment of 10% or more. VA loans or Veteran Affair loans are a bit trickier. While the VA, doesn't have a minimum requirement for credit scores, VA lenders do, and that number varies by lender. Some lenders require a score of 620s, while others, might do up to 640. The good news is getting a no from one lender doesn't mean you're out of luck. For conventional loans, most lenders will look for at least a score of 620. According to a lot of mortgage loan originators. Really ideally though, however, applicants would need to have a 660 credit score to land a better rate and avoid jumping through additional hoops in order to get so. Really was a good credit score. Beyond approval for a mortgage, the range your credit score falls within can drastically change the interest rate that you lock down and the amount you'll pay in PMI or private mortgage insurance. For instance, the approximate difference in rates for a conventional loan with a 680 credit score versus a 740 plus credit score could be a 0.25% to a 0.0375%. But the PMI premium in this scenario would double actually. So once you're over 740, you're considered to be in the perfect range for mortgages. If you put less than 20% down, however, you'll need PMI. For PMI, the high bracket in terms of the credit score is 760 plus, meaning that you'll pay less in monthly terms with this score or higher. In simple terms, really a credit score below 700 is likely to be considered fair in the world of mortgages. The perfect credit score would be 760 or higher, unless you're able to put down 20% and skip the PMI completely, in which case a score of 740 or more would suffice. Again, I hope this information helps you. If you have any other questions, my contact information is in the description below. As always, thank you so much for your time and all the best.